In this brief but impactful video, we observe a routine maintenance task that serves as a powerful reminder of the hidden dangers within an industrial workspace. The footage captures two technicians working on a large-scale tire, likely from a heavy-duty truck, inside a repair shop. The technician in the dark blue shirt applies significant leverage to separate the massive tire from its metal rim, while his colleague assists by stabilizing the wheel. At first, it appears to be a standard, coordinated effort. However, the situation shifts in an instant. As a final, forceful pry is applied, a loud structural snap echoes through the shop, followed by a sudden cloud of debris. The abrupt release of mechanical tension causes the assembly to shift violently, reminding us that when dealing with high-pressure components, safety protocols are the only thing standing between a routine job and a serious incident. This footage captures a harrowing moment as a group attempts to hoist a long metal ladder near active railroad tracks. Due to the ladder's weight, the group struggles to maintain balance. As they lift it, the metal frame inadvertently contacts overhead high-voltage lines, triggering a massive electrical arc. The current surged through the ladder, causing those holding it to collapse instantly. This serves as a sobering reminder of the risks of working near power lines without safety protocols. Lack of awareness regarding conductive materials near power grids can lead to catastrophic accidents. Always identify overhead lines before starting work, keep equipment at a safe distance, and respect all warning signs. Prioritizing safety education is essential to protecting yourself and others. This video captures a critical safety incident during the demolition of an old metal storage tank using an oxy-acetylene torch. While performing a horizontal cut, a powerful explosion occurs as residual vapors trapped inside the tank ignite from the cutting sparks. The sheer force of the pressure causes the tank to rupture instantly, sending debris flying and creating a massive cloud of dust and smoke. The footage concludes with the aftermath, showing the warped metal structure and lingering smoke at the scene. This serves as a serious reminder of the inherent risks involved in hot work on industrial containers. It highlights the absolute necessity of following strict safety protocols, including conducting thorough atmospheric testing and ensuring the complete removal or purging of all flammable gases or liquids before any work begins to prevent such hazardous accidents. In a busy warehouse setting, a forklift was moving and stacking large pallets when a lack of situational awareness and a blocked line of sight caused a serious accident. Because the load was too high, the operator failed to notice a female colleague walking across the vehicle's path, leading to a split-second collision that trapped her beneath the machine. Nearby coworkers reacted immediately to provide emergency assistance, but the event serves as a vital lesson in safety. Operators must always maintain a clear view, traveling in reverse or using a spotter if vision is obstructed. Pedestrians should stick to designated walkways and establish eye contact before crossing paths with machinery. Finally, management must implement floor markings and convex mirrors to ensure a safer environment for everyone. In this footage, a crew of workers is seen performing tasks on a high-reach scaffolding system. Unexpectedly, a section of the structure gives way, causing the workers to fall. While the footage is difficult to watch, there are no confirmed details regarding the condition of those involved or the final outcome of the incident. This video serves as a critical reminder of the importance of occupational safety, particularly for those working at significant heights. It highlights several vital lessons for the industry, such as the absolute necessity of following safety protocols and OSHA standards without exception, the importance of frequent maintenance and structural integrity checks for all scaffolding equipment, and the need for comprehensive training for workers on how to respond to equipment failure. By prioritizing safety and remaining vigilant, we can significantly reduce the risk of workplace accidents and ensure everyone returns home safely at the end of the day. This footage captures a serious workplace incident involving a forklift operation that serves as a critical safety lesson for industrial environments. While transporting a large, high-stacked load of cardboard boxes, the operator attempts a sharp turn, causing a sudden shift in the center of gravity. Due to this abrupt maneuver, the load becomes unstable and collapses entirely onto the warehouse floor. While the incident resulted in product damage, it more importantly highlights the severe risks posed to nearby personnel when safety protocols are overlooked. To prevent such mishaps, operators must prioritize speed control during turns and ensure all items are properly secured. This serves as a vital reminder of the importance of OSHA standard training and maintaining a safety-first culture to protect everyone on the clock. This surveillance footage captures a severe industrial incident at a high-tech facility, illustrating the danger when humans and automated systems share a workspace. Large robotic arms are seen moving heavy metal components when a worker in a blue uniform and pink helmet enters the active zone for maintenance. Underestimating the machine's path, the worker is pinned by an overhead arm that fails to detect the obstruction. Nearby colleagues rush to trigger an emergency stop and render aid, but the situation remains critical. This serves as a sobering reminder to prioritize safety. Facilities must implement human detection sensors, physical barriers, and strict lockout-tagout procedures. Rigorous training is essential to ensure personnel never enter an active red zone during operation. In this video, a serious workplace incident occurs when a forklift operates within a confined zone. While lifting a heavy load, the operator fails to properly assess the surrounding clearance, leading to a collision with a nearby worker. This serves as a critical safety reminder for anyone operating heavy machinery to prevent similar accidents. It is essential to follow these protocols. Always conduct a 360-degree check of your surroundings before moving equipment, and never operate machinery when pedestrians are within the work zone. Ensure all forklifts undergo routine maintenance to guarantee optimal performance, and strictly adhere to OSHA standards and manufacturer guidelines. Prioritizing these safety procedures ensures that every team member returns home safely at the end of the day. This footage captures a critical safety failure involving an overloaded three-wheeled vehicle. Carrying heavy timber far exceeding its capacity, the vehicle loses balance while pulling onto a scale. Because the cargo was stacked too high and positioned too far back, the center of gravity shifted dangerously. As it reached the scale's edge, the imbalance became terminal, causing the rig and driver to tumble into a ditch. This incident stems from ignoring fundamental mechanical principles, exceeding load limits, which stresses the chassis. Maintaining a high center of gravity, which invites tipping on uneven surfaces, and using uncertified equipment. Never prioritize saving time over your safety. Always ensure your cargo is secured and within rated limits. Operating substandard equipment under heavy stress is a risk that is never worth the reward. This video captures a high-risk situation at a scrap yard where standard safety protocols are clearly being ignored. Workers are seen loading long metal beams onto a truck without any personal protective equipment, such as hard hats or safety gloves. The most concerning moment occurs when a worker, standing atop a cluttered pile of scrap, attempts to pass a heavy metal beam to a colleague. Instead of a controlled handoff, he recklessly swings the beam over the head of another worker. This demonstrates a severe lack of professionalism and disregard for the well-being of the crew. Fortunately, the bystander ducks just in time, narrowly avoiding a potentially severe injury. This footage serves as a reminder that safety must be the top priority in any industrial environment. Shortcuts and careless behavior can lead to life-altering consequences. Proper coordination, communication, and a safety-first culture are essential to ensure every worker returns home healthy.